that is, it's very difficult for me to do something if I do not know why. And the moment you know why you are doing something, and you know that the why is a good match with what you can do, then you will be calm.
And I'm
But
looking.
if you're not sure what you need to do, why you need to do it, and that you can do it, it must be terrifying, isn't it?
Yes.
So I spend a lot of time in the beginning of a project to make sure that all of the stakeholders and the team members knows why are we here. And the moment you get people to recognize, in my experience, that they can trust me, that I am trying my best and I'm listening. Just in doing that, it also creates calmness. It creates calmness in myself, which then translates also calmness into the team.
Yeah. Okay.
I think to use the words of a very other good friend of mine that I know that's also your friend, he often uses the word, you know what, sometimes it's okay to lean into your own vulnerability.
Yeah.
Even I don't know.
Yeah.
It means that recognize, that you are just human. It creates then also the comfort that they can then think, but okay, they are also just human. Doesn't mean that we're going to take our eye off the ball, but it just creates, to use your words, a bit more of calmness and focus, I think.